Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that others WhatsApp status not showing. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp and you need to update WhatsApp Messenger. As you can see that my WhatsApp is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open and click on updates, but once you are on updates you can see that there is no option to see the status. So how you can see that, you simply need to click on three dots and click on muted updates. So here you can see the muted updates, so let me unmute that. So now you can see that I am able to see recent updates from here, and you can see channels here, but we are majorly concerned about the status. So here you can see the WhatsApp status like this. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.